Have you ever wondered why modern airplanes don't use propellers anymore? What led to this significant change in aviation technology? Stay tuned to find out. Welcome to MTS Aviation. In the early days of flight, propellers were a critical component in powering airplanes. They played a pivotal role in the advancement of aviation. While propellers were revolutionary, they came with significant limitations. Propeller-driven aircraft struggled with speed as they couldn't break the sound barrier. Efficiency was another issue. At higher speeds, propellers lost effectiveness. Additionally, the noise generated by propeller blades was considerable, making flights less comfortable for passengers and crew. The transition from propellers to jet engines marked a new era in aviation. Jet engines provided a solution to many of the problems associated with propellers. They offered greater speed, enabling planes to travel faster and further. Jet engines were also more efficient at high altitudes and speeds, reducing fuel consumption. Moreover, they produced less noise, significantly improving the flight experience. The turning point came in the mid-20th century when jet engines became the standard for commercial and military aircraft. The Boeing 707, introduced in the 1950s, was one of the first successful commercial jetliners, demonstrating the superiority of jet propulsion. This change revolutionized air travel, making it faster, more efficient, and more accessible to people worldwide. In summary, the shift from propellers to jet engines has transformed aviation. The benefits of jet engines in terms of speed, efficiency, and noise reduction have made them the preferred choice for modern aircraft. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video and want to learn more about aviation technology, be sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to hit the bell icon to get notified about our latest content.